Texts that make a man fall in love with you and make him want you more. In this video, I'm going to reveal a trick to texting a man that will make him fall and stay in love. Hey, it's Erin, your personal love expert from the channel where we make men make sense. This texting trick that I'm going to reveal is going to take a man's typical disinterest in texting and actually make him want to reply, and even better, fall in love with you. So when you don't know the texting trick, what ends up happening is you end up making a mistake and pushing him away and stopping love from actually taking hold in your relationship. So it's very important because you don't even realize that you're doing something wrong, but it is silently sabotaging you. So if you want to know what to text a man to make him fall in love, write "I'm ready" right now in the comments while the intro plays. This video has been requested so many times, so I hope that you guys enjoy. But before we dive into today's video, I have a very small favor to ask. If you like this video, if you like any of my videos or anything about me, if you like what I'm wearing, if you like love advice, leave me a like, a thumbs up, give me a like, give me a share, subscribe, tell people all about it. So now I want to jump right into the first thing. Text less. Okay, so what am I discussing here? Quality over quantity. There's another thing though to know about this. Men don't like texting. It's unnatural for men to text, and historically men have not been texting in the day. They've been away doing things in the world, and then now this expectation of a man having to reply has made women think that a guy doesn't like them when he doesn't reply. But the truth is, men just don't want interruptions. And when you do text, the best thing to do is one of two things. So try to text as little as possible in the relationship. Less is better. And if you do text, the second thing is to have an open agreement that if it's ever a bad time for him or inconvenient, that he doesn't have to reply or feel like he has to respond, because if he doesn't, it'll cause problems. But instead, it's an open-ended thing where he can actually reply whenever he wants and when it's convenient. That's a huge piece to really always remember. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments down below. So a text you can send him is sending a song that reminds you of him, for example, or say something such as, "What's your favorite thing to do in order to relax?" Or, any question about him. You can even lead with "just curious, ... and just ask him about himself. It's a great conversation starter and an effective texting tool to learn more about him. So the next thing, how to make a man fall in love with you, compliment his nature. So take the time right now in the comments to write what you like about the guy that you have in mind, something unique about him that you really like and would want to compliment. How do you make a man love you? You appreciate him. So here are some texts that make a man fall in love. So I love how good you are at dealing with technology. That's an example. I love your strange sense of humor. What you're doing here is you're appreciating something unique about him that is something that he is good at. So you look at what he's good at and what he's passionate about, and then you appreciate it. And it's going to go a long way, because men fall in love when they are appreciated. Number 3, don't make it a burden. Make a guy fall in love with you by not being a burden. So this will make him fall in love with you. Don't expect an all-day back and forth. Expecting him to always be available will end up feeling like a burden to him. Do not worry if he does not text every few hours, because men don't like texting. In fact, men and women are the opposite. So as I mentioned in the beginning, texting less will make him miss you more. Next, how to make him fall in love with you. Be flirtatious. So fun and flirtatious texts that make him feel some kind of sexual tension are great. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. It can be something simple like, "I was just in the shower thinking about you," or you can say something with innuendo. That is a great way to build connection and tension, which is what you want. And now for the trick I mentioned. The texting trick that I mentioned at the beginning is a mindset. The winning mindset is, don't text without feeling that you won't care about the outcome no matter what. In other words, only text if you truly don't care whether he does or doesn't reply. Number 6, Mood matters, and he can feel the mood behind the texts. How to make a man fall in love with you: your mood. If your mood is light and happy, he's drawn to that and he's much more likely to reply and participate. But if it's frustrated and worried or angry, he's not going to want to deal with it and is less likely to reply. If you want him to text with you, make sure your texts feel good. Number 7, how to make him want you: support his drive. So men fall in love when you support their drive, plain and simple. So watch what gets him excited, fired up, and motivated. Watch what deflates him. Watch what kills his mood and inspiration. Support what keeps his drive high and help shield him from what kills it. Because when a man feels like you understand what drives him, he will feel you understand him. Now, this relates to texting as well. It's a very important concept when it comes to a man falling in love, and you can use texting as a tool to further that. So what's your biggest passion in life? So you can start a conversation by simply asking him his biggest passion, because his passion is the key to discovering what drives him. You can even say something like, what's your biggest dream in life? You can even ask, is there anything that you wanted to do but never ended up doing? Some kind of wacky dream or something that people wouldn't really necessarily encourage. For example, you don't have to say it exactly like that, but you can ask him if there's anything in his life that he wanted to do. That will get him talking about something, and you will be giving yourself clues to his true passion. And when you support that, you support his drive. And when you support his drive, a man will fall in love. So I want to hear from you in the comments. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments down below, and be sure to hit like and comment on this video with your thoughts on this topic. Also, share this video if you found it helpful, and give it a like, because it does really help me out and lets YouTube know to recommend this video to more people. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more love advice so you can have the love life that you really want. And I will see you next time.